Welcome to the Guide to Revolut Crypto Trading, a comprehensive tutorial designed to help you navigate the world of cryptocurrency trading with ease. Revolut is a popular financial app that allows users to buy, sell, and exchange various cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. To get started, you need to download the Revolut app and create an account. Once you have set up your account, navigate to the cryptocurrency section, where you can view a list of available cryptocurrencies and their current prices. Before you begin trading, it is essential to understand the key concepts of cryptocurrency trading. These include the types of orders, such as market orders and limit orders, as well as the fees associated with buying and selling cryptocurrencies. To place an order, select the cryptocurrency you want to buy or sell, and choose the type of order you want to place. For example, if you want to buy Bitcoin, you can place a market order, which will execute immediately at the current market price. Alternatively, you can place a limit order, which will execute when the price reaches a specified level. Revolut also offers a feature called stop loss, which allows you to set a price at which your position will be automatically closed if the market moves against you. This can help you limit your losses and protect your investment. In addition to buying and selling cryptocurrencies, Revolut also allows you to exchange one cryptocurrency for another. For example, you can exchange Bitcoin for Ethereum, or vice versa. This feature can be useful if you want to diversify your cryptocurrency portfolio or take advantage of price differences between different cryptocurrencies. When trading cryptocurrencies, it is essential to keep in mind the risks involved. Cryptocurrency prices can be highly volatile, and prices can fluctuate rapidly. It is also important to be aware of the fees associated with buying and selling cryptocurrencies, as these can eat into your profits. To get the most out of Revolut crypto trading, it is essential to stay up to date with market news and trends. You can do this by following reputable sources, such as cryptocurrency news websites and social media channels. It is also a good idea to set up price alerts, which will notify you when the price of a particular cryptocurrency reaches a specified level. In conclusion, Revolut crypto trading offers a convenient and user-friendly way to buy, sell, and exchange cryptocurrencies. By understanding the key concepts of cryptocurrency trading and following best practices, you can make the most of this feature and achieve your investment goals. Remember to always do your research, stay up to date with market news, and be aware of the risks involved. With Revolut crypto trading, you can take control of your cryptocurrency portfolio and start trading with confidence.